What is the state of your health? Do you have a case of male or female infertility? Have you been told you have a low sperm count? Do you have a prostate problem? Are you a lady suffering from abnormal menstrual problems? Never worry again. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center has all the answers to your health needs. At Zoe, we treat all kinds of health problems, including erectile dysfunction. Zoe Fertility Center has a state-of-the-art laboratory and an ultrasound scan services available. There's also the total body scan, which scans all your organs in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard right, in 5 minutes. Our pharmacy is well stocked with good and highly efficacious natural medicines, all without side effects. Locate Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center at our Adenta new site behind the CAF International School opposite Mechanical Lloyd on the Adenta Ebri Road. At Odoko, we are near Nicolisi Hotel behind International Needs. Odoko Terrazzo. Call 0205 363614 or 0243 239534. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center. Excellent healthcare, our hallmark.
Welcome to the Zoe Health Talk Show with me, Dr. Fiao, from the Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center. The Zoe Health Talk Show is a health education program which comes your way every week on this station. We discuss various health issues that may be of concern to you. Today, we are talking about premature ovarian failure. Premature ovarian failure. The ovaries are part of the reproductive system in women. When you take the reproductive system in women, you have the uterus, and then the uterus are connected by fallopian tubes to the ovaries. There are two ovaries. We have the left ovary and then the right ovary. And the functioning of the ovary is for production of eggs and then the release of the eggs at a point during the menstrual cycle. And so when it comes to fertility or reproduction, the ovaries are vital for successful conception. Now, sometimes when there is a loss of ovarian function in a woman before the age of 40 years, that is premature ovarian failure. What it means is that the ovaries are failing to perform their functioning of producing the eggs and releasing them. They are failing to perform the function of producing the eggs and releasing them. And there are various things that can bring this about, that can cause premature ovarian failure in women. One is that when there is autoimmune damage to the ovaries. Autoimmune damage, what it means is that sometimes the body can recognize a part or an organ as a foreign body, and then it begins to attack it. And when that happens, it damages the cells. And so when the ovarian tissues are damaged as a result of autoimmune processes, that can lead to ovarian failure or premature ovarian failure. There are instances where it's due to chromosomal defects, which may be congenital. Maybe the person may be born with chromosomal abnormalities that can lead to the loss of ovarian function and all that. There are also some women who get exposed to certain radiations or certain chemicals that also have negative effects on the ovarian tissue, and that sometimes can lead to ovarian failure or premature ovarian failure. That's also another thing that sometimes happens and causes premature ovarian failure. There are also instances where when there is an infection of the ovaries, sometimes the ovaries can get infected as a result of certain infections that traveled up the reproductive tract from the vagina through the fallopian tubes and can affect the ovaries. And when that happens, sometimes the ovarian tissues can be damaged as a result of the organisms that gained access to the ovaries, and that can lead to the loss of ovarian function. There are also causes related to the hormones that regulate ovarian function. And so when there's hormonal imbalance, so sometimes conditions like polycystic ovaries, which is a hormonal problem, can affect the ovaries and eventually lead to premature ovarian failure. That can eventually lead to premature ovarian failure. So that's something we must take note of. Now, when a woman has premature ovarian failure, what are the signs and symptoms that may be noticed, which can give us a clue that she has premature ovarian failure? One is that there is irregular menstrual cycle. There is irregular menstrual cycle, and so when there is lots of ovarian function, sometimes you will not have regular menstrual cycle. What it means is that instead of getting your menstrual flow every month, there are months you may not get your menses, or you may not menstruate at all, and that can be an indication that the ovaries may be losing their functioning. There are those who have absent menstruation, amenorrhea. So sometimes there are some women who can go for some months without seeing their menses, sometimes 3 months, sometimes 4, 5 months, 6 months, they don't see their menses. And that can be an indication that there is loss of ovarian function. And when that happens, it becomes difficult when a woman is trying to conceive, it becomes difficult for her to achieve conception. And so one of the main features of ovarian failure is difficulty in achieving conception. Difficulty in achieving conception. And so when a woman has been trying to get pregnant, maybe you live with a man for a period of 1 year or more, the man has no problems. There is a normal sperm count, normal sperm motility, the sperm morphology, everything is normal, but there is no conception. It is possible that the woman may be having a problem of ovarian failure. Ovarian failure, because ovarian failure is one of the major causes of infertility in women, where they have difficulty achieving conception. There are other related issues that come up when a woman is not having normal ovarian function. And you see, the ovaries produce certain hormones, and the hormones that the ovaries produce also have effects on other parts of the body. So when a woman has ovarian failure, one of the signs that she may notice, or the symptom that she may notice, is vaginal dryness. Vaginal dryness. And this is because the estrogen that is supposed to be produced by the ovaries reduces. And so that leads to poor lubrication of the vagina, and that leads to vaginal dryness. And sometimes they complain of painful intercourse and all that. Then there are those who complain of hot flashes. Sometimes they have this hot burning sensation in their body, which they cannot explain. Sometimes it comes with mood swings and emotional disturbances and all that. It may be an indication that there is a problem with the ovaries. And so when an investigation is done, and then we notice that the hormones are abnormal levels and all that, then we will know that there may be a problem in the ovaries. Then it can be treated. So the major symptom of premature ovarian failure is difficulty in achieving conception. But when an investigation is done, then treatment can be given so that the woman can be able to achieve conception. This is the Zoe Health Talk Show, which comes your way every week on this station. God willing, will come your way again. Until then, have a healthy lifestyle. Bye-bye.
What is the state of your health? Do you have a case of male or female infertility? Have you been told you have a low sperm count? Do you have a prostate problem? Are you a lady suffering from abnormal menstrual problems? Never worry again. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center has all the answers to your health needs. At Zoe, we treat all kinds of health problems, including erectile dysfunction. Zoe Fertility Center has a state-of-the-art laboratory and an ultrasound scan services available. There's also the total body scan, which scans all your organs in 5 minutes. Yes, you heard right, in 5 minutes. Our pharmacy is well stocked with good and highly efficacious natural medicines, all without side effects. Locate Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center at Adenta New Site, behind the CAF International School, opposite Mechanical Lloyd on the Adenta Ebri Road. At Odoko, we are near Nicolisi Hotel, behind International Needs, Odoko Terrazzo. Call 0205 363614 or 0243 239534. Zoe Fertility and Alternative Medical Center, excellent healthcare, our hallmark.